Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now, once your content is prepared, all you need to do from there is hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up at the bottom, giving you share, edit, and long screenshot options, and after a moment this window just disappears. Once that happens, you can find the actual screenshot in your Photos application. Typically you would be located in here under Photos. So to find your screenshot, you will need to navigate to Library and album called Screenshots. In here you'll find all the screenshots you have captured over the time. Now I have only one, the one that I have just captured. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.